Hi, Sarah Garland, Fine and Country Leamington Spa. Today we are at Russett House in the market town of Southam, offering an array of amenities including shops, spas, restaurants, all within walking distance of this property. We're approximately 7 miles from Leamington Spa, 10 miles from Rugby and Daventry, and 14 miles from Coventry and Banbury. Behind me is Russett House, an individually designed exclusive family home built to the highest standard and specification by Noralle Traditional Country Homes 11 years ago. The property includes 5 reception rooms, kitchen breakfast, utility room, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms and a 20 by 20 foot studio above a double garage. The garden to the rear is a good size with access to an unexpected paddock. So come with me, let's take a look inside. This modern country-style design features solid oak doors throughout, oak flooring and staircase, high specification kitchen with granite work surface and underfloor heating to the ground floor. For watching a tour of this beautiful family home, and if you would like any further information or to book a viewing, please contact me on the details that follow.